Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we talk about the topic Vereine in Austrian German. The video idea is from Chris, who asked for a video about it. Thank you very much for the comment. In general, the word Verein can be translated as club in English. Above all, it is safe to say that we can find a lot of clubs in Austria. How those special Vereine are called, how we pronounce the famous Austrian football clubs, and what the name for a person who joins many clubs is, this is what I'm gonna show you after the intro. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to find out more about the topic clubs in Austria. As I've already mentioned, the word Verein means club in English. The plural form is Vereine. By the way, a person who joins many clubs is called Vereinsmeier. So the word club, Verein, is combined with the name Meier, which is one of the most popular names in Austria and in Germany. First of all, let's start with the club Musikverein. There are two main types of Musikverein. On the one hand, we can find Musikvereine almost in each village in Austria. In this case, the members of the Musikverein support the local brass band, which plays when it comes to jubilees or the opening of a new building. On the other hand, the Wiener Musikverein is a special club for classical music. In the club building, the famous New Year's concert of the Vienna Philharmonic Orchestra takes place. Second, the so-called Trachtenvereine play an important role when it comes to tradition. Trachtenvereine take care about old traditions, clothes and songs. A special category of Trachtenvereine are Schützenvereine, in which shootings play an important role. However, the shootings are not meant to be in a violent way, but with a happy attitude, without hurting anyone. Third, Sportvereine are a crucial part of club culture in Austria. This goes especially for skiing and football. In the context of football or soccer, if you are from the US, we come across the terms Fußballverein or Fußballclubs. The most famous Fußballvereine in Austria are Rapid and Austria from Vienna, Red Bull Salzburg, the LASK from Linz, and Sturm Graz. If a club is getting bigger, it is often called association, in German Verband or Bund. For example, the Austrian Ski Federation is called Österreichischer Skiverband, with the abbreviation ÖSV. The Austrian Football Association is called Österreichischer Fußballbund, the short form ÖFB. Additionally, we focus on the time of Carnival. During Carnival, there are some clubs that deal with parties, sketches, and similar things. Those clubs are called Faschingsgilden in Austrian German. The singular form is Faschingsgilde. Summing up, we can repeat the most important Vereine in Austrian German: Musikverein, Trachtenverein, Schützenverein, Sportverein, Fußballverein, and Faschingsgilde. I hope I could give you a little insight into the topic Vereine in Österreich. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.